You all asked for it. So it's time we reunite with our slow cooker. Today, we're diving into a low carb and a high protein meal prep that's made with simple ingredients. The slow cooker buffalo chicken recipe takes just a couple minutes to prep, goes great with almost anything. So let's jump right into it. All you need to do for this one is to take out your slow cooker, optionally line it for easy cleanup, and add in 3 pounds of fat trimmed chicken breast into the bottom of it. Top your chicken with 1 ounce or 1 packet of a ranch seasoning or dressing mix. Flip your chicken breasts over a few times to fully coat them. Top of that, add a little black pepper, 8 ounces of your favorite low sodium buffalo sauce, half a cup of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, and half a cup of some plain Greek yogurt or cream cheese that you want to evenly distribute. Give the top a light mix. Your Greek yogurt or cream cheese doesn't need to be completely mixed in. Also, I know that not everyone is worried about their sodium intake, so make sure to include the breakdown for both higher and lower sodium options on the website. Last, turn your slow cooker on high heat, let it cook for around 3 hours. While that's cooking, it's time for the tip of the day. Did you know that all you need to quickly portion out a meal prep recipe is a cheap kitchen scale like this? To do this, take out something to put your entire recipe in, put that something onto your kitchen scale. Bring your scale back to 0 by hitting the tare button, then add in your entire recipe. From here, you'll take that number, which is the total weight of the recipe, simply divide it by however many servings you want. If you don't have a tare button, you can just write down how much your container weighs and subtract that from the total weight. With your serving size weight, you can either portion it out as you go day by day, or portion it out right then and there into meal prep containers. If you don't have one of these scales, I'll throw a link to mine in the description below. All right, I'm starving, so let's get back to the recipe. After 3 hours, I shred my chicken using 2 forks like this. It should shred pretty easy. Once shredded, I let it cook for an additional hour. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, make sure that your chicken is completely submerged into your liquid mix. If it's not, you can add a little bit more broth. Number 2, if you don't have access to ranch seasoning or dressing mix, you can either make your own, which will also lower the sodium. I include the recipe on the website, or just use some ranch dressing. 1 tablespoon per pound of chicken. And number 3, you can use this mix in a salad with rice or quinoa for some homemade burrito bowls, to make tacos, sandwiches, mini sandwiches, and so on. Think outside the box and you'll never get bored. Before we end this one, I have a question for you all. I've thought about doing a couple meal prep recipes with one of these, a rotisserie chicken, but I wasn't sure if everyone has access to these and or if they're affordable. Where I live, I can find them almost anywhere for around $5. You'll get about 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken from it. Let me know where you're from and how much one of these costs where you live in the comments below. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for some more meal prep ideas. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll do another one within the next month. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. Follow us at The Protein Chef on social media. And of course, stay healthy.